What's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kuwaderknows, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan na natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kuwaderknows, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is all about let's make a cake. So ayan. So I'm very excited kasi I really love cake. So, pag birthday parties, kapag may events, or kunyari anniversary, binyag, or anything events na pwedeng lagyan ng cake, so, lagi yan present. So, look at the picture, make sentence, describe it. How many children are there? There are a lot of children. How many children? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. How many juice is there? There are a lot of juice. Ayan, no. Ang daming, may baso pa dyan. May mga milk. Parang milk pa to, no. So, ayan. So, it's very common in a birthday party to have typical birthday party ng mga children na may mga pahanda, party hat, gifts, and syempre pakain, may mga cakes, pastries, and syempre mga spaghetti. Of course, typical Filipino in Filipino, syempre typical na may pansit, may spaghetti, may palabok, may cake, may drinks, may coke. Syempre magdadala dyan ng kasalin na coke as a gift. So may mga ganun minsan kasi. So enjoy your recipe. So we will wonder how let's make a cake, or how to make a cake. So, ayan, that's my favorite. Okay, dear teacher will guide you. So, now, I really encounter some of videos on Facebook na meron palang mga stores, or meron palang mga workshops na pwede kang matuto gumawa ng cake. So, magbabayad ka, and then bibigyan ka ng guide, and ayun, ma-enjoy mo na yung paggawa ng cake. So, pwede mong iuwi yung cake na ginawa mo, and then ayun, matuturuan ka niya if paano ba mag-bake, how to measure cake. Pwede kang i-guide ng mga assistants doon, or yung mga pastry chefs. So, ayun. So, ayan, ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of margarine, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, so 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 2.5 cups of milk, and 1.5 cups of milk. So, ayan, paghahalu-aluhin niya yung wet and dry ingredients para makabukay din ng accurate na and delicious cake. So, syempre, it is important na in baking, it is very important to have the correct balance of raw ingredients. Both liquid and dry will ensure not only the taste of the product, but also the proper consistency and density. If you like the moist cake, meron pa ngayon may chocolate ganache and something pa ng mga ginagawa ng mga professional talaga na baker. So, it's really, I really want to learn how to bake. And when you think about it, baking is simply chemical reactions between ingredients to produce a desired result, because meron tayong ditong baking powder, and pag minix sila, pag nilagay mo sa oven, there will be a cake. So, lalagyan mo ng frosting, ng flavoring, ganon, and designs. So, ayun. Makikita talaga natin sa food portion to taste, and para magkaroon talaga ng extreme accuracy, para hindi maging over, or hindi tayo magkulang sa taste. So, ganyan. So, want some more? So, that's our cake. Every birthday, it's really present. Hindi ako papayag na when may birthday, hindi ako kakain ng cake, because it's the highlight of the handaan. It's cake. Chocolate man yan, or anything na flavor. Like, bago ngayon, yung may ube, may mangga, mocha, ganon. So, ayun. That will be really, I would like to try it. So, may mga nakikita kayo dyan sa mga internet. And, ayun, pwede nyong itry if may money talaga kayo na pwedeng, ang alam ko around 2 to 5K ata yung sa do-it-yourself na cake. Kasi, ikaw talaga yung gagawa. Ingredients, sa pag-mix, sa pag-bake, sa pag-design, ikaw talaga. Bibigyan ka na ng copy or depende rin ata sa'yo if anong design yung gusto mo. So, ayun. Be creative na lang din. So, yan. And this your experience. Want some more? So, ayan. Let's have some riddles and limericks this time. Guess the answer. Riddles are puzzling questions or statements which require deep thought. So, now let's start the fun. Select your answer from the parentheses. Number 1, I have a crown, but I'm not a king. I have 100 eyes, but I don't see anything. What's your answer? Guava, mango, or pineapple? So the answer is, for me, the answer is pineapple. So correct me if I'm wrong. Sa mga naiisip ko, it's a riddle. It's bugtong in Tagalog. Like, bugtong, yung mga ganon. Ito na, hindi ko na nakikita. Yung mga ganon bugtong. It's really famous nung mga bata kami dahil yun yung ginagawa naming activity pag nagkakatuwaan kami na, ito, alam mo ba itong sagot dito sa bugtong na to? Yung mga ganyan. So, yan. Number 2 tayo. I give you a shade, food, and shelter. I'm not a well, but I hold some water. And my arms are buildings lie, tall and straight, I reach the sky. Vine, tree, or bush? For me, the answer is tree. Because yung tree, nakakapagbigay siya ng food, ng shelter, and siya yung nakakaano ng buildings kasi it's made of wood. Yung mga shelters, doon nagsisimula sa wood muna, yung as a foundation of a building. So, for me, the answer is, for me, is 3. Yan. Number 3, I make your food tasty when you make me turn brown, but when I'm eaten fresh, you'll chew me with a frown. So, alin dito? Garlic, pepper, or tomato? For me, the answer is garlic. Pag nag-brown yung garlic, sobrang sarap. Alam niyo yun, yung masarap talaga siya sa panlasa, lalo na pag sa tokwa and sa oyster sauce. And then, you'll have some garlic and a lot of onions. That would be so good. Lalo na pag talagang brown yung garlic mo. That's really, really good. So, for me, the answer is garlic. So, number 4. The ball of Billy Jones is full of tiny stones. Mongo, santol, or guava? I think it's mongo because mongo is really tiny. It looks like a tiny stones. So for me, that's mongo. Water becomes diamond and diamond becomes water. Sugar, salt, or coffee? I think it's salt. If I'm not mistaken, this is salt. Okay? So ayan yung mga example riddles natin. So, eto na yung topic natin dito na nagtatapos yung topic natin sa Let's Make a Cake. So, thank you, have a great day, and God bless, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!